Hi, I'm Mike Turner with EcoSafe Zero Waste, and today we're going to go through some of the instructions on how to install our patented EcoSafe MultiRes and Club Pack dispenser systems. Before we do that, why don't we start with going through some of the tools that will be required. Today we'll be using our EcoSafe patented MultiRes dispenser and Club Pack dispenser. Optional, but a level comes in handy for this type of work. You'll also need either a pencil or a Sharpie, safety glasses, of course, safety first. The hardware kit that comes with the dispensers includes 4 concrete screws, 2 wood screws, and 2 drywall plugs. You'll also need a Phillips drill bit and a Robertson drill bit, as well as a 3/16 inch drill bit and a 1/4 inch drill bit. If you're drilling into concrete, you'll keep in mind you'll need a 3/16 inch concrete bit, and then of course we have our drill. So today we're going to be installing the EcoSafe MultiRes dispenser. The Club Pack dispenser is virtually the exact same thing, except it only has 3 holes instead of 4. In both cases you want to make sure that at least one of the screws is going through the drywall into a stud, unless you're installing concrete. So now we've got our MultiRes dispenser up against the drywall here. We just want to check that it is in fact level. Once that's done, we're going to want to mark the top holes right in the middle, and on the bottom holes we want to mark at the top of the keyhole. Just like that. Again, keeping in mind that you want to be screwing into a stud for 2 of the screws. So when screwing the screw into the stud, we want to leave about a 1/4 inch between the wall and the head of the screw. And now we're going to switch bits to the Robertson to drive in the wood screw. And you leave a 1/4 inch gap there as well. We're going to put the keyholes over the screws and drop it down. The dispenser is now mounted. All that's left to do is put the bags in. When putting the roll of bags in, you want to make sure that the bag's orientated towards the back near the wall, and just drop it down through like that. Lid slides onto the top, and there's a hole for a lock. And we're all done. Please keep in mind, if you're mounting the dispensers to concrete, you'll need a 3/16 inch concrete bit and use all the provided concrete screws. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any comments or questions, please reach out to us through our website at www.ecosafe.green. Thanks and take care.